will be singing the national song, followed by hoisting of the national flag. Our first contingent is the contingent from Tura DEF, led by WPSI Srimati. In the evening days, we have the Tura Government College NCC Boys contingent, commanded by Junior Under Officer Mr. Angad Hajam.
Walking towards the saluting base now is a student of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School.
मिलते हैं हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
हमला सुबह होने से पहले होगा। राशिद।
LDA, the office. Our next guest, Sri Jackie R. Marak, assisted by young quiz champions. A big round of applause.
As the tricolor unfurled and our heart beamed with pride, we remember with gratitude the vibrant soul of the soil, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and the countless freedom fighters whose courage and sacrifice laid the path to liberty, to shape democracy. We also honor Machiavellian heroes Utirav Singh, Ukyanamba, and Patokan and Sanman, who paid the price we can never repay just so we could live a fulfilled life, and whose indomitable spirit continues to inspire us.